this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a Stampin' Up haul. My goodness, I haven't done a Stampin' Up haul in a while. An AliExpress haul and a small Dollar Tree haul. You guys, oh my goodness. So I went looking for the ink dyes. Yeah, the inks for the stamps on Stampin' Up, and I got so sidetracked that I started buying other stuff I didn't need. But hey, it was nice. Oh my goodness. So anyways, I did buy this die right here. They come of course in a little envelope, which is amazing. And then I did buy this what is it called, planner etch folder die. I don't know what they called it. They called it keeping tab dies. That's what they are. There you go. Anyway, so I got that. Okay. After I purchased it, and after a while I was like, man, I don't know why I didn't just get the punch. I should have just gotten the punch, but that is okay. I can always do die cutting when I am resting in my bedroom. Anyways, so I also got this ice cream swirl dies right here, you guys. I will say that every time you get anything from Stampin' Up, it comes in its little pouch, and then it's of course this little oh my goodness, envelope, and then of course it, you know, it gives you the description, which I just noticed. And this is what the ice cream is. Here you guys go. It is, you know, of course it's a foldable. I can't wait to work with this. Oh my goodness, I do have other ice cream cones. I don't know, I have an obsession with that. Oh my god, there's so many things that I love and I can get repeats. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I ended up getting another one of that, like if I need it. I also ended up getting this one is so cute. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? That is the cutest. And it's called Kidding Around. So actually on this one was a buy one get the other one 50% off. Aren't they so cute? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I need to learn how to color. I need to start watching more people that color. And here are the dies that go with it. Of course, this is the wizard, these are the two little kids, and this is the little girl with her reading book. I'm still trying to figure out what one of them was. I'm not sure. I think this is, I don't know. I gotta figure out. I gotta go back to looking at the images that they had on there. And yeah, so anyways, that is it for dies and stamps. I also got inks right here, you guys. Of course, I do have the Memento. They do offer the Memento. I have the ink pad, so I wanted to get more ink before I forget and then have to like wait forever. I did get this one. This is a jet black ink. I bought some ink pads back a while back when I think I last was at my mom's at Hobby Lobby, and to be honest, they're really dry, so I'm hoping this one will work on it and, you know, give me some results. So there you go. And then I also bought this oh my goodness, sorry for the glare, I did buy this cow die. Oh my goodness, it's a cute punch it. These I was trying to figure out for the longest what it was. So this is basically the horns that go up here if you want to add horns. This is the nozzle mouth, whatever it's called, and this is part of the tail. So it took me a while. I don't remember how I figured it out, but I figured it out. Yay! My next item of my haul is this right here, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is from AliExpress, and I got it from JUYP. I believe it's also Sea Party Dies. After I got it, oh my goodness, Craft Perch put a video up, and I think she said that, you know, she had just purchased them as well, or she, you know, she was showing the site. So I was like, oh my goodness, I got it, yes, before everybody else got it. Anyway, so this is a nice tent. This is about a good 6.5 to 7 inches in height. So yay. Got this right here. This is the ticket booth. Okay, so I figured when I got this, the first thing I was thinking of was Maggie Holmes. I had just done a carousel swap, and I was like, oh my goodness, that would have been so helpful. I did get another popcorn box. I already have 2 other ones, and this is my 3rd one, I think, or 4th. Oh my goodness, how embarrassing. So oh my goodness, so I was so happy that I got it after I've been seeing everybody do their project shares, and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm so happy I got it. Anyways, so, and then this is a little cute little tote bag. It is small, and I figured why not buy it. I love doing boxes, but there's sometimes you just wanted something quick and you just want to get it done. So I got this right here. This is the carousel die right here. This is like another about 6 inches. This is, I believe you could do it into a mini book. So there you go. And then I did get this one. On the side it showed a memory deck, so I was thinking it was going to come in a memory deck. This one was separate from this package because I've had this in my bag for a while. And yeah, I was thinking it was going to come with the memory deck, so obviously it didn't. So hey, I have so many memory decks dies here, so I'm okay with that. And then these are the cute little tents. I believe there's 3 other sizes. I believe there's 3 full sizes in here, so yay, I can't work with this. Can't wait to work with this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, 1 2 3, so yay. Alrighty, so let me put this back in there, and I will put it back together before I lose it after the video. And then I went to Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree haul is a very small one. I just gotta remember where I put everything. I had originally done a video, but then yeah. So yeah, anyway, so I got these pumpkin seeds, $1.25 still. I ended up getting these right here. These are amazing to have, you guys. If you guys find them, I so suggest you get them. I have one in my work area for work, and I basically, what I do, I put my cup here to hold it, you know, from it falling, because I am so clumsy. I'm so, like, I could just go like that and it'll probably fall. So I did get me another 2. I love these. I got another one for snacks, so I could put my snacks in while I'm at work. These are a few other ones that I have, and of course it's holding my die cuts. So there you guys go, and you could uncollapse them and collapse them, and these are holding other pieces of dies that I've just punched out or stamped. So anyways, you could definitely stack them like this. So there you guys go, or stack them like that. It's up to you. I like it this way better, so that way not the stuff on the top falls over. But hey, do what you gotta do. Okay. And lastly, I did get me this right here, this planner. My Dollar Tree has basically nothing, you guys. It's always empty. These are very, very thin papers. Oh my goodness, like they're like thin, like, yeah. So I would recommend that you guys put something in between if you guys end up writing on these, because if you guys have ink that's gonna seep through, yeah, it's not gonna, you're not gonna be happy. So the reason I got this is not because of I want a weekly plan. So I actually have a laminator. I have 2 laminators. You guys, I have too many things in my house. I'm trying to get rid of stuff, but then I don't want to get rid of it, because as soon as I get rid of one thing, it's gonna break down, and then yeah, and then I could have it forever and never break down, and yeah, that's how things work. Anyways, so enough talking. So I do have a laminator machine. I laminator sheets, I'm not too sure. I think I have a 5mm, I think that's what they are, and a 7mm. This is a 7mm. This is thick, you guys. So my machines are not set up for 7 ml, I think, or something like that. Mine are set for 3 and 5, so I have to run the 7 a few times, as you guys can see. If you guys can see there's let me see if you guys can see. Oh my goodness, you can't really see, but if you guys were to look at this, it's not sealed completely. You guys see that gap right there? I mean, it's nice. It's not bulging up or anything, but you could just see that it's not. If you wanted to cut in between here, it might undo. So, but it's sealed nicely on this, so I do have to run it a few times. So my plan was to go ahead and laminate some of these, so when I do swaps, if I do more swaps or challenges, I can list them and then put the due date, and then when I'm done, I basically get some alcohol and wipe it out. So I love these as well. These are, sorry you guys, I don't, okay, pull it out. These are basically, oh my gosh, what are these called? To hold paper. Anyway, so I do put those on these on there, and then just collect them, and then just go down the list and see, hey, this person is having a challenge, just do this date, these are our requirements, or these is what the swap is required. So I love these, love using these, and so I'm so glad I found a bigger one where I can write bigger, hopefully. And yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Sorry for all my mumbling and rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I hauled this time, and hopefully you are subscribe to my channel. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back and joining me. Oh my goodness, I am just like anyways, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.